WICook at Home is a self-paced cooking class from the Houston Health Department WIC program that allows WIC participants to prepare nutritious and simple-to-make meals from the comfort of their homes. Completing this class will not only help you create healthy meals for you and your loved ones, but it will also count as a nutrition education credit in your next WIC office visit. Taking part of the WICook at Home class is super simple. First, select a recipe from an approved WIC online source. This could be, for example, texaswic.org or myplate.gov. Make sure that the chosen recipe includes at least 2 out of the 5 MyPlate food groups. These are fruits, vegetables, grains, protein foods, and dairy. We recommend parents to get their children involved in the cooking process of this meal. Cooking with kids is a great way to help them build healthy eating habits while sharing traditions and building memories. Once your recipe is prepared and served, take a picture of your dish before enjoying it at the table with your family or friends. It is important to complete the WICook at Home card with the name of the recipe, where was it that you found it, and food groups included. Bring both the picture and the WICook at Home card to your next WIC visit to earn nutrition education class credit. We also ask that you share your cooking creation, along with the recipe information on our WICook at Home Facebook group. This will save you time at your next WIC office appointment and will invite other parents to participate in this family-friendly activity.